Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissant dough. First, gather your cold ingredients: flour, cold water, active dry yeast, a small amount of sugar, and salt. Mix these together until a shaggy dough forms. Avoid over-kneading, we just want it to come together. Once mixed, cover the dough and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This initial chill is crucial for the texture. Next, prepare your butter block. Take 250 grams of very cold butter and flatten it into a rectangle, about 6 by 8 inches. Roll your chilled dough into a rectangle roughly 12 by 8 inches. Place the butter block on one half of the dough, then fold the other half over to completely enclose the butter. Pinch the edges firmly to seal it in. Now for the first turn. Lightly flour your work surface and roll the dough into a long rectangle, about 8 by 20 inches. Be gentle to avoid tearing. Fold 1/3 of the dough over the middle, then fold the remaining third over that, creating 3 layers. This is called a letter fold. Wrap the dough and chill it for 30 to 45 minutes. You will repeat this rolling, folding, and chilling process 2 more times, for a total of 3 turns. Always ensure the dough is thoroughly chilled for at least 30 minutes between each turn. This prevents the butter from melting and ensures distinct layers. After the 3rd turn, wrap the dough tightly and let it rest in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This final rest is essential for flavor and texture development.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.